everyone, welcome back to our channel Social Security Benefits. We hope you're doing great. $1,300 stimulus check in July 2024, payment date and new eligibility revealed. In July 2024, the Minnesota Department of Revenue announced a $1,300 stimulus check as part of a tax rebate initiative aimed at providing financial relief to residents affected by COVID-19 pandemic. This one-time payment is part of larger $1.3 billion program designed to support individuals and families in covering essential expenses like food, clothing, housing and groceries. To qualify for the $1,300 stimulus check, residents must meet specific criteria. First is residency, must be a resident of Minnesota and have lived in the state for at least 6 months of 2021. Tax filing, must have filed Form M1 with Minnesota Department of Revenue. Third is income. Single filers must have an income under $75,000 and married couples filing jointly must have an adjusted gross income up to $150,000. The exact payment date for the stimulus check has not been confirmed yet, although the program was initially slated to begin on July 1, 2024. Beneficiaries are encouraged to monitor the official portal for updates regarding the distribution of funds, which will be mailed and remain valid for 2 years. The $1,300 stimulus check is part of Minnesota Tax Rebate Checks program, reflecting ongoing efforts to alleviate financial strain caused by the pandemic. Residents are advised to stay informed through official channels regarding eligibility requirements and payment details. Overall, this initiative underscores Minnesota's commitment to supporting its residents during economic challenges, ensuring that the stimulus funds are used to address immediate and critical needs within the community.